Hello my friends, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we are showing you a revolutionizing brand for your dogs. So this product will help your dogs. So let's say you have a dog that eats a little too fast or has digestive problems. This supports feeding liquids, paste, wet food, dry food, snacks, and treats. It's supposed to help cut back their rapid eating by 15 times slower than what they would normally eat. It's slower. They put funnier on there. I don't know why they put that there, but yeah. And healthier. So let's go ahead, open this up, and show you what it looks like. By the way, they have different ones as well. So we'll show you each one. Each design is a little bit different. So like this one, say goodbye to choking. They also have something else. We're not going to say that outright. Bloating, obesity, digestive disease, and so much more. So let's open it up, show you guys what you get. And I do want to say this was sent to me by this website. So I do want you guys to know that this website sent me it. So you guys can check out my video description for the website. But we will give our honest opinion. If there's something that we don't like about it, we will say. Just like when I said it said funnier on the box, that's kind of dumb. Why would you have that? But so this is it. And how this works is you would place the food inside. So it's kind of like a little maze in a way. You place the food inside there. You can put some down lower as well. So when they're eating at it, it moves. It just helps promote from eating too much. You can lift it up for cleaning, so it comes right out. This is silicone, so silicone base, so you can put foods down in here. You could just use the bottom piece for foods, waters, liquids. You don't have to use the top, but you can use the top as well. So as a dog's eating, if you guys don't know, when dogs eat normally, or pets eat, you know, cats can use it as well, but when pets are eating, they normally force down, and as they push down, it will move, which will... This will basically say, oh, we gotta move. We can't just keep eating nonstop until we're sick. So it just helps promote eating better. So let's go ahead and check out the next one. On the box, it does say made with plant-based materials. So economically friendly. So that's also a plus for those who really do care about environment and all that fun stuff. So this is the other one. I do not know if they have any others. These are just the two that they sent me to show and evaluate. So again, same piece for the top here, but just a different bottom piece. So it's a silicone and it's deeper. So your pet would have to dig a little deeper to get it, so they're not just going to take a big bite out of the food. But again, you can use this for liquids, soft food, and everything that we mentioned earlier. And again, it promotes healthier eating habits for your pets. Check out my links in the description if you guys want to see their website and all their information they have about it. Okay, Emma. So that's how it works. It just slows down their eating. They have to use their tongue and push out the food if they want it. When they get lower,